What's up, Airkewld? This is Pete, your friend at Airkewld. Another cool video. This one is going to be on wheel offsets. Got a client, local client, that's going to be doing some 3-piece smoothies on his Beetle, and we want to go over how to measure them correctly and what we mean underload, not underload, and so we get the perfect fitment for this vehicle. So stay tuned, more to come. Thanks for watching.
To where the sun don't end, the sun don't end. Not gonna play the fool, because it's from within, it's from within. You're taking all this time to get it right. Now it's your time for the honey. Yeah, it's your time for the honey. Get out there, you're a freaking tiger.
Alright guys, we just had a walk around 66 Beetle, and we did some measuring on all 4 sides, and this is what we came up with. So in the right front we have 1.5 inch wheel to fender edge on the right front. The right rear we have 3/4 tire to fender, 3/4 straight edge to wheel, so a total of 1.5 inches. So we're the same on the passenger side. We move over to the driver's side. In the left front we have 1.75 inches wheel to fender on the left front, and then 2 inches, 3/4 is same from the bulge of the tire to the wheel, but now 1.25 inches, 1/2 inch difference there. So we're going to be building wheels to fit 1.5 inches, and we're going to be building wheels for 1 inch and 1.5 inches, both front and rear, so that they match, because that's going to be the tightest we have. Now our front ends have provisions to slide left to right, so maybe the owner will make some adjustments to make this more of 1.75 inches left to right, which would be what I would do. But we're still going to do it as based on the 1.5 inch mark, so that we have a little bit of clearance. Alright, now we're going to show you what we do after we take the wheels off the car. So this car is equipped with a PRObuilt beam from us, and the key ingredients here is understanding the flatness here to the upper arch here, the distance we have here to here. But right now the suspension is unloaded. We need to load it, so we're going to load it right now, and I'm going to do that as I put this on the tripod. So I'm going to set it flat on the rotor. We're just going to go up. And to the inside fender edge, 3 inches. This car is equipped with a 4-inch narrow beam, drop spindles, and bad series disc brakes. Same, 3 1/8 inches.